Hi, so today we're going to look into a customer satisfaction survey and we can understand how you're going to use this form to collect customer satisfaction details. So you can see in this form I have created some of the elements like customer name, the email, the satisfaction score, promoter score, ease of use, and other fields that I have added over here. You can entirely customize these fields as per your choice by clicking on this plus over here and you can add your own fields as per your requirement, but this is what I've created as of now. And if you see the survey, you have this fields like this. So let me fill up some of the details to show you what is possible out of this. So for the customer name, let me add like my name. For the email, it's like my name @gmail.com. I'm just randomly filling some details. Satisfaction score is 3, promoter score is 4, ease of use is let's say 5, support experience is 1, service quality is let's excellent, improvements not applicable, and recommendation is yes, additional comments is also let's say not applicable. Okay, let me click on submit and you can see the response has been submitted. Okay, so if I go to the survey, you can see a responses tab over here. Okay, and you will be able to see this particular line which just came right now with the response that I have been added. So this shows the particular survey response for the customer who would add. So for every customer who would add such details, you can see a particular response come up over here and you can check the responses from here. So this is a simple survey form which you can use in your own purpose. And once you duplicate this, you can edit this on your own end and start working on it. Thank you. Have a great day.